In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your game files in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to free up space, protect your data, or just want a safety net for your favorite games, backing up is always a smart move. Let's jump right in and make sure your game progress is safe and sound. First things first, open up your Steam application on your computer. If you don't know where the icon is, check your desktop or look in your start menu. When you've got Steam open, the next step is to log in. You should see the login option on the top right of the app. Clicking on this will bring you to a prompt where you need to enter your account details. This is simply your account name and password. If you've forgotten them, there's always the option to recover or reset your information. Once you're logged in and have access to your Steam homepage, head over to the library tab. This is where all your games are neatly stored and organized. Look through the list and find the game you'd like to back up. For example, let's say you want to back up Middle-earth: Shadow of War. Once you've found your game, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open up a new window that contains all sorts of useful information and tools for managing your game. In the Properties window, you'll see various tabs. You need to look for and click on the one labelled Installed Files. This tab is the gateway to managing your game files, including backing them up. Here, you should spot an option that says Backup Game Files. Clicking on this will get you started on creating a backup of your game. Now it's time to choose where you want to save your backup. Click on Browse to select a backup directory. This can be any location on your computer or an external hard drive. It's always a good idea to choose a location that has plenty of space and is easy for you to access later. Once you've selected your directory, click on Create Backup to start the process. And there you have it. Your game files are now securely backed up. This not only gives you peace of mind, but also ensures that you're prepared in case anything goes wrong. Backing up your games is an easy but crucial task that can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to back up regularly and keep on gaming.